Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to save your videos 4K Ultra HD using CapCut app on your Android mobile. So let's get started. First of all, install your CapCut app. I have already installed and I will open it. After open CapCut, you will go for new project, but I have also have a created save video Ultra 4K HD project already. So click on it, and this is my video that we will make into Ultra 4K HD. So first of all, add your videos and complete your filters, editing, etc. So next will be the process to how to convert it into Ultra 4K HD. So here upside after this mobile or app, click on it and you have multiple options. First one is resolution, second one is frame rate, and third one is code rate. These three options are really important for making your Ultra 4K HD video. So here we select 1080 pixels, so we will move this cursor to onto 2K by 4K HD. So first option as 2K 4K HD. Now second will be at the 60 frame rate at 60, and third one code rate MB per second as high. So these settings you will do on your videos and simply export it. After getting these settings, we will click on export options. I have clicked, so my video is downloading to Ultra 4K HD. So wait for some times and watch what's the results. Here our video is already downloaded and done. Click on done and our project is completed. Now we'll search into the gallery or MX players. I want to gallery and save all videos, and here last one is our video. So let's get how the results. These are awesome results. This is Ultra 4K HD videos. How to change your normal videos into Ultra 4K HD videos. This is simple process, and make your videos into 4K HD. I hope you will like this video and share this video. Thanks for watching.